Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Magic Bullet Portable Blender To-Go Lid Bundle. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or need something quick to blend and take with you on the go, this bundle promises to enhance the convenience of your Magic Bullet Portable Blender. But does it live up to that promise? Let's explore. This bundle includes 2 lids designed specifically for the Magic Bullet Portable Blender. The first is a handled flip-top to-go lid, and the second is a standard handled lid. Both lids are created with practicality in mind, ensuring that your blends stay secure and leak-free while you're out and about. If you've ever tried to take a smoothie or shake with you and ended up with a mess, you'll understand the frustration that a good lid can solve. The goal here is to provide an easy, spill-proof way to transport your drinks, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just out running errands. In terms of design, the To-Go lid is built to give you quick access to your drink without the hassle. The flip-top functionality allows you to open and close the lid with one hand. So if you're in a rush, it's perfect for those moments when you just need a sip on the go. The standard handled lid, on the other hand, is a bit more straightforward. It's great if you prefer something with a handle to make carrying your blended drinks a bit easier. But it's still leak-proof, so you can carry it in your bag without worrying about spills. Setting up the lids with the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is straightforward. There's no complicated assembly required. Both lids fit perfectly on the blender, providing a secure seal to prevent leaks, which is a huge selling point. Using the lids is intuitive as well, making them perfect for those who want to take their blends without thinking twice. Whether you prefer a quick flip top or a more traditional handled lid, both options deliver on ease of use. Now onto the real-world experience. I took both lids on a few test runs to see how they perform in everyday situations. I filled the blender with a smoothie, attached the flip-top lid, and tossed it into my bag to see how it handled being carried around. After several hours, I checked it, and not a drop of liquid had leaked. Impressive, right? The flip-top lid was super convenient for sipping while on the go, and the standard handled lid felt secure and solid when carrying the blender. Whether I was headed to work or just out for a quick walk, both lids kept my blends intact without any issues. But no product is without its shortcomings. While the lids do what they're supposed to, keeping your drinks secure, some users might find the flip-top lid slightly harder to seal tightly at first. It takes a bit of getting used to before it clicks into place, which might be a minor inconvenience for those in a hurry. Also, while the lids are durable, they might not feel as premium as other high-end accessories. They're made of plastic, which is sturdy but not as luxurious feeling as some metal or silicone alternatives on the market. Let's take a look at the value for money here. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender To-Go Lid Bundle is priced reasonably for what you get. You're getting 2 lids that perfectly complement the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, and they're designed to solve a real problem: leakage and convenience. In comparison to similar accessories, such as those from NutriBullet or other blender brands, this set holds its own in terms of functionality and price. Some other brands might offer single lids at a higher price point, so in terms of value, this bundle feels solid. When comparing this to alternatives on the market, the Magic Bullet lids hold their ground. Other portable blender accessories can sometimes feel gimmicky or lack proper sealing capabilities. For example, some third-party blender lids can struggle to fit securely or might leak, especially with the more compact blenders. The Magic Bullet lids, however, fit perfectly and serve their purpose without extra frills, making them a great match for the blender. They're straightforward, functional, and do exactly what you need them to do. Build quality-wise, these lids are made from a tough plastic that feels sturdy, though not invincible. They're more than durable enough for regular use, and given their price, the quality matches what you're paying for. If you're someone who regularly takes smoothies or shakes with you, these lids should last for quite some time without any issues. But if you're looking for something that will withstand heavy-duty wear and tear, the plastic may eventually show signs of use. Now, I didn't have to reach out to customer support, as the product worked as expected, but it's worth mentioning that Magic Bullet generally has a good reputation for handling customer queries. Should you run into an issue, you can expect a relatively smooth customer service experience based on their track record. So, what's the final verdict on the Magic Bullet Portable Blender To Go Lid Bundle? If you already own the Magic Bullet Portable Blender and are looking for a simple, efficient way to make your blending experience more portable, these lids do the job. They provide a practical, no-fuss solution to taking your drinks with you without the risk of leaks. The flip-top lid is great for quick sips, while the standard handled lid offers more conventional carrying. While they might not feel luxurious, they're functional and affordable, making them a solid investment for those who need on-the-go convenience. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about grabbing this bundle for your Magic Bullet, you can find the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Let us know what you think of the product, or if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep blending and keep exploring the best in gadgets with Reviews Inside TV.